why he sent me, say commissioner for agri. I'm not sending commissioner for lands. I'm not sending DG due process. This is your ministry. Go down step, step. Go and meet with the community. Hear from them and come and tell me the truth. Because I don't believe that my people in Yala does not appreciate the projects I have brought for them, for their own benefit. I don't think so. There must have been some background that is not favorable, what have caused this. And that's why I am here. So His Royal Highness, I can promise you that this issue should be resolved. The one thing I want to appeal of you, I'm a new commissioner. I'm just about a year and a few months old now. In the office. Most of this background and what I'm hearing from you directly is not what was briefed to the governor. I am the one that's going to cause the governor to know the truth. Because the picture painted out there, the use of Okuku and even the traditional institution are against the government. From what I've seen here, it's not true. It's lies. People are trying to say to cut corners. I come from a home, and from the background of the home we come from, we are taught to tell truth. Open your eyes and say the truth the way it is. Don't close your eyes. I'll give governor this report. And you know, government work through procedure. What I want to appeal to His Highness is, please assist me to facilitate this matter by putting a letter, address a letter of their challenges, of what have been the agitation of the people. Address it to the governor of Cross River State. A very brief letter. Attention, Commissioner for Agriculture. So that the letter comes to me and I take the letter, hold it by hand, do my report of my findings, and take to the donor and say, this is the issue. The people welcome you. Things were not done properly. Let's resolve this problem because this project has come to stay. The governor is a working governor. Me, I'm not an office commissioner, I'm a farmer. My parents were farming, I was born in the farm. Up till now, too, I'm one of the successful farmers in Cross River State. And things should be done directly. The governor of Cross River State should not be discredited. He has done so well. In fact, he's taking the lead in agricultural revolution in Nigeria of the major project he has done. This rice seedling factory, this rice mill located here in Yala is a first of its kind in Nigeria. All the rice you produce all in Yala here is being taken and processed in Ebonyi. And Ebonyi takes all the credit for producing rice. Over 70% of the rice that they mill in Ebonyi is from Cross River State. So why can't we mill the rice here in Cross River State and earn more income? That after suffering all, other states come and buy the rice at the cheap price and then go and make money and then impoverish our people. So I think that the governor, Professor Bernard Yade, the governor of Cross River State, should be celebrated. So whatever hurdles that are standing on the way, we will remove it because this project is a project for the future. So please, His Royal Highness, you do me a favor by please, at the shortest possible time, send these challenges. You know, government is procedure to reach me in the office so that I can take it and get all those issues resolved within the shortest possible time. The one thing I want to also appeal to you, to your Highness, is that agriculture is time bound. Agriculture is time bound. Please, the governor has asked me to appeal to you, engage with time bound to deliver on the clearing of the land. And he's asking for job variation as when he was engaged, and now asking for more money because of the delay for not delivering on his job. the land, government will not take the land from the people here. The development begins here and ends here. I want to appeal to you and your council. Please, while we take steps to address all these issues, I can assure you before the end of this first quarter, we don't know January, February, and March, which is planting season. While we take steps to address this issue, please speak to the youth. It's for your good and the good of the government for it to commence there. Allow the contractor to continue work at the shortest possible time. This issue will be resolved. Because it will be a loss to you first, because the project is your project. Their network of farms, cottage industries are supposed to commence construction there. That cannot come because of the issue on ground. We are supposed to kind of apportion the land and allocate it. The World Bank appeal project, the headquarters of network of farm is located here. And World Bank is already almost withdrawing that project from Cross River State. Because of the delay in implementing this project, World Bank has opened up appeals project in Enugu, in Ebonyi, and Enugu State. And that money is in the pool. If Cross River State does not progress in the project, other state progress, they will open for them to go ahead. So before Cross River State will come behind, they say the project has gone to a close because we didn't move according to the project timeline. I want to appeal to you. Please, let us take urgent steps. Do a letter as a matter of procedure to the governor through my office, and please do permit the youth and the women and the entire community to show some level of restraint. Let the development go on. Even if they cultivate and plant crops there, is it rice or cassava, they will not take it just one day. They won't go with the land. If they build all the cottage industry want to build in that place there for processing, they won't. The issue of compensation is like half percent of what the people need here. The way you are asking of it, you are asking of it as a matter of rights, which I support you. It's as a matter of right you are asking, so that let a proper foundation be laid before a weight is put on top. I will take your message back to the governor. But that's the appeal the governor has made. That please, the project is yours. Don't use your hand to destroy what God has brought to you. And let us look for a way. Let the both hands rub each other, and until the matter is resolved. That's the message the governor has sent me. Thank you very much.